Welcome to Raaghav Tuition Centre. This video is for students studying in Government of Delhi School. In this video, we will be guiding you some important questions for your annual exams. Let's start with Chapter 1, that is Matter in Our Surroundings. This video covers very short answer type questions. This type of questions are of generally 1 mark each. Let's start with questions 1. Write different states of matter. Answer to the question is, there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. They have different properties, which can be explained by looking at the arrangement of their particles. This is the theoretical temperature at which particles have the least amount of energy and the slowest movement. Moving on to question 2, that is, which has more density, liquid or solid? The answer to this question is solids are generally denser than liquids. This is because the particles in a solid are more closely packed together. However, ice is an exception to this rule. Ice is a solid form of water, but it floats on water because it has a lower density than water. This is because the process of freezing water creates empty spaces in the ice, making it less dense than water. Question number 3 is, what is the melting point of ice? Answer to this question is, the melting point of ice is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which ice turns into water. The melting point is the temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid. Ice is the solid state of water. At the melting point, the molecules in ice gain enough energy to overcome the hydrogen bonds that hold them together. Adding salt or other substances to ice lowers its melting point. The melting point of ice decreases as pressure increases. Question 4 is, boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius. Change it into Kelvin scale. The boiling point of alcohol, which is 78 degrees Celsius, is 351 Kelvin. To convert a temperature from Celsius to Kelvin, you can add 273 to the Celsius temperature. Question number 5 is, why do gas exert pressure? Answer to this question is, gases exert pressure because of the collisions between the gas molecules and the walls of a container. The pressure is the result of the force exerted by the gas molecules on the walls. Moving on to question 6, which is, why do we liquefy the gases? Answer to this question is, we liquefy the gases for various reasons such as transportation, storage, scientific and industrial purpose, refrigeration and air conditioning. Next question is, what happened to particles when salt is dissolved in water? Answer to this question is, when salt dissolves in water, the salt particles spread out and fill in the spaces between the water molecules. This process is called dissolution. Next question is, what is the physical state of water at 0 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius? Answer is, the physical state of water at 0 degrees Celsius is solid, ice, and at 25 degrees Celsius it is in liquid form. Moving on to next question, that is, what is the chemical name of dry ice? Answer to this is, the chemical name of dry ice is carbon dioxide, also known as CO2. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. Question number 10 is, why is heat energy needed to melt a solid? Answer to this question is, heat energy is required to melt a solid because it increases the kinetic energy of the particles, which breaks the attraction between them. This causes the particles to move faster and change from a solid to a liquid state. We will bring you more videos related to your subjects, that is maths, science, social science, English and Hindi. So stay tuned to our channels for more videos. To get the latest notification of our videos, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon. If you like our videos, then like and share with your friend.